Good morning, everyone. This is Uma Maheshwari working as an English lecturer in Government Polytechnic Jyotipet. Today I am going to explain about models. Modal verbs. Ability, can, could. Example: David can speak 3 languages. He could speak fluent French when he was 5. Permission, can, could, may. Example: Can I sit in the chair, please? Could I open the window? May I borrow your dictionary? Next, advise. Modal verb, should. You should visit your dentist at least twice a year. You should try to lose weight. Obligation, modal verbs, must, have to. I must memorize 8 of these rules about tenses. You have to take off your shoes before you get into the mass. Possibility, might, may, could, can. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. Informal, can. Can I borrow your pen for a minute? Can I speak to John Wilson? Polite, could. Could I speak? Have a glass of beer? Could I open the window? Formal, may. May I ask a question, please? May we go home now? Polite, would. Would you mind if I asked you something? Modal verbs, asking permission. Informal, polite, formal, polite. Now let's see how modals is used in ego slide and why it is used. Modal verbs. We will discuss about definition, structure and how to use. Definition. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, possibility. Once again, a modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, possibility. For example, Two of my friends can play guitar. This sentence indicates ability. List of modal verbs: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, ought to, and must. These all can be called modals. Can, could, may, might, will, would, should, shall, ought to, and must. Now structure: subject, modal verb, main verb, complement. Subject: I, we, they, you, he, she, it. Modal verb: must, can, should, may, will. Main verbs: go, drink, eat, do. Complement: okay. Do, use the basic form or infinitive of the main verbs after the modal verbs. For example, I must go to sleep. Modal verbs do not add yes or ears to the third person singular. For example, correct answer is he can swim. Don't say he can swim. Correct answer is he can swim. In simple present tense sentences, I could work, he could work, it could work, they could work. In continuous, I could be working, he could be working, it could be working, they could be working. In perfect, same sentences. In perfect, I could have worked, he could have worked, it could have worked, they could have worked. Perfect continuous, I could have been working, he could have been working, it could have been working, and they could have been working. Modal verbs don't need auxiliaries to form negative and question. Example, she should stay. Negative, she shouldn't stay. Why should she stay? Modal verbs don't have infinitives or ing forms. Now, how to use can? Use ability, possibility. They can control their own work. Impossibility, we can't fix it. Uses of can: C, asking for permission. Can I bring here? Request, can you help me? Could. Uses permission. Example, could I borrow your dictionary? Request, could you say it again more slowly? Possibility, I think we could have another tea. Future, I wish. Could meet me next week. Ability, he gave up his old job so he could work for her. May, use permission, may have another cup of coffee. Possibility, I may finish my homework. Might. Possibility, we would better phone tomorrow. They might be eating their dinner now. Example, we would better phone tomorrow. They might be eating their dinner now. Ought to. Saying what's right or correct. She ought to finish by next week. Shall. Offer. Example, shall I help you with your luggage? Suggestion, shall we say 2:30 then? Permission, shall I do what or will you? Should. Saying what's right or correct. Example, we should solve this problem. Possibility, fees should decrease next year. Will. Decisions, I can't see any taxis so I will walk. Decisions, I can't see any taxis so I will walk. Offer, I will do that for you if you like. I will do that for you if you like. Promise, I will come back on Monday. Would. For permission, would you mind if I brought a friend with me? Would you mind if I brought a friend with me? Request, would you mind waiting a moment? Invitation, would you like to play basketball this Friday? Okay, these all about modal verbs. Thank you.